Hi, I'm here to explain how you can easily use our online ordering system to order and pay for your photos. Simply go to www.oneils.photography on your web browser and click on the Online Photo Orders button. From here you will be able to access the specific photos from your school, wedding, company or studio shoot. We know how important your safety is, so we've gone to great lengths to make sure your photos are secure. Firstly, enter your school, company, couple or own name as described on your order form and then choose the specific shoot you want to buy photos of. After accessing a shoot, you will be shown all the products available to you. You can choose any of them to continue to photo selection and confirmation. Please note that in order for us to offer novelty products such as mugs and mousepads at a discounted rate, our main package is required to be added to your cart before additional products since all our costs and editing is done on your main photo. To start, select a product you wish to buy. You'll now have to enter the unique ID as found on your provided order form to select your individual photo. For group photos, simply choose the correct photo from the grid of thumbnails. Once you've confirmed your photos for the product, add the product to your cart and continue shopping. When you're done shopping, continue to your cart to verify and update your order and to enter your delivery location. We deliver to any address in South Africa or to your nearest Postnet branch. After confirming your order details, please complete your payment via our secure payment gateway using your Visa or MasterCard debit or credit card. You will receive confirmation of your order when payment is confirmed. We hope you have found this video useful and are able to complete your orders on our system successfully. For any more info, please contact us via the details on screen now. From us at Oneils Photographers, happy online shopping.